Model, 66-plate Peugeot partner Berlingo Profession L1 Blue HDI spares or repairs needs. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 93,678. MOT, the 25th of May 2025. Engine, 1560 cc DV6 FE, BHW-A. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, takes a few more cranks to start than average, runs with a rattle. Bottom end bearings are knocking. Oil light on the dash. The engine will need repairing or replacing. In and out job. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is extremely clean and tidy, almost feels brand new. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Well looked after van and first to see will definitely buy. Features, 3 former keepers, electric windows, cruise control, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0740111